Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple TV to a network without its remote. It's a common situation, but don't worry, there are two straightforward methods to get your device online. We'll explore using the convenient Apple TV remote app on your iPhone or iPad, or setting up a quick, temporary wired Ethernet connection. Both approaches will help you regain full control and configure your wireless network settings with ease. The Apple TV remote app is a fantastic solution. First, download the free app onto your iPhone or iPad. It's crucial that your iOS device is connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network that you want your Apple TV to join. Once connected, open the app, select your Apple TV, and you'll have a fully functional virtual remote. You can then easily navigate through the settings and input your Wi-Fi password to get online. If the app method isn't immediately working, a wired Ethernet connection is a reliable alternative. Simply connect a standard Ethernet cable from your internet router directly into the Ethernet port on the back of your Apple TV. Your device will automatically establish a network connection through the cable. Once connected, you can then use the Apple TV remote app on your iOS device to navigate to the network settings and configure your preferred Wi-Fi connection. After that, you can safely remove the Ethernet cable. Sometimes, a little troubleshooting is needed. Always ensure both your Apple TV and your iOS device are running the latest software versions, as updates often fix bugs. If you encounter persistent issues, try restarting both your Apple TV and your home router. This simple step often resolves many connectivity problems. As a last resort, borrowing a physical remote for the initial setup can be very helpful. Remember to keep the Apple TV remote app handy for seamless control moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.